Good morning, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I just wanted to get on here, show a little video of things that I've been making here lately in my small, tiny little one-car garage, aka the man cave, aka the doghouse, my shop. Anyways, over there, I got one of my round flags that I've done, but I wanted to show off this that I've done for a client. It is a baseball commemorative ball holder. It's got 4 dowel rods, 2 on each side, to hang their medals from. And up here on the upper shelf, it's got 2 areas where you can hang your baseball bats from. Did this for a client. They actually wanted 2 of them for their grandkids. They just wanted it torched with a clear coat on it. And over here, as you see, that's for the baseball bats, 1 on each side. This was a fun little project. They got 4 commemorative balls that they're putting on. So I can make these custom. If you want it to where you have 2 balls on one shelf, I can make another shelf here. You put your trophies on top. Or say you don't have any balls, that you just have trophies. We can not groove these out. We could just leave it plain. You could put your trophies there. You could do it for anything you want. I'm also able to put a backing on it and paint it if so be. But I just wanted to show you off one of my latest projects. This was actually really fun. For the ones that don't know, the angle cuts for the diamond plate is 22.5 degrees and comes out really well. Pretty proud of this piece. Then right here, what I'm getting ready to do is the American flag. I'll be measuring out on 1 3/4 inch stripes. This piece is 3 foot long by 22.5 inches. And what I'm going to be doing here shortly is I'll be measuring out from top to bottom 1 3/4 inches for the stripes. Then I have a template for the union. It will go right here. It will be blue. On this one, instead of leaving the white torched, we are going to be doing it in a white Minwax water-based tintable stain that we use. Also, I want to show this one off. We stain the backs of them black. Then we use a hemp string that has a wire. We can put it on there, or we use a sawtooth hanger like this one right here. Sorry I wasn't more prepared to do this video, but this is what we'll use on the back. We'll put that right there. You can hang it on your wall. I like doing these smaller ones like that. For one, it's more economical for somebody to be able to afford that might want to buy one and or support you. So I like doing these smaller ones, but I also like doing the bigger ones. The bigger ones, they start off as just a round, as a plain wood round that we get from Lowe's. The first thing that I do is, of course, I sand it down to make it nice and smooth. Then what we do is we stain the back black, and then we also stain the side, the round part, black. Then after we sand it, we torch it. Obviously, it doesn't come pre-torched like this. Then what I do is, of course, I measure it out to get the lines, measure the union out to get the lines. I usually do these lines about 1 1/4 inches. And yes, before you get into the comments or anything, oh, the flag doesn't have 13 stripes. Oh, the union doesn't match there's not enough stars on it. Well, you're right. There's not 13 stripes. There's not 50 stars on it. But we do them this way. So before you get in the comments and say anything negative, we already know there's not 13 stripes. This is our depiction of art. Wood art. Sometimes certain projects don't exactly look the exact same as what you would see anywhere, such as the American flag. It is our, or each individual's person, depiction of our wood art. You could say that I didn't do the flag any justice by not putting any 13 stripes on it, and that's fine. You have your right to your opinion and comment. So, but I'm not trying to start the video off by being negative. I just want to say, before you hop in the comment section, we already know that it doesn't have 13 stripes. But, like I said, it's all how you, the wood artist, see things. So, stay tuned for the next video. This one, we're actually going to do red and white. And typically I usually use the 3M tape, the blue. But I've noticed on the last couple of projects, now I'm not downing the tape. This is not a disrespectful thing toward 3M. But the last couple of ones I've done, I've had some bleed through. Even though I push the edges down real good, the best that I can, for some reason I'm just getting that little bit of bleed through. And I want it to work. I want I want my artwork, my woodwork, to come out the best to my ability. These are not made in a factory. They're not mass produced on a factory line. These are actually handmade, custom made, and most of all, American made. Just know that everything I do is made with pride, passion, and integrity. I build quite a few different things. I've built quilt ladders, wall hangers, and my spinner things, which on another day I'll do another video. But I'm going to start live streaming a lot more on all my different platforms, such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm going to show the stages on how I do things on different channels. You know, say on Monday I start a project, I'll live stream the first part of the project on TikTok. Then for you to see the second process, I'll live stream it on Facebook. The third part of the process may be on YouTube. So make sure you follow me on all three of my platforms. 850 Woodworking. Let me see if I get this right. 850 Woodworking 1 on YouTube. Obviously, you're watching the video now here on YouTube. And if you're watching on Facebook, you already know the name, but it's 850 space wood space working. Instagram is 850 Woodworking. And TikTok, 850 Woodworking. So, I want to show you guys my projects. I did start this a year ago. I picked it up as a hobby to help me with the problems that I sort of deal with, such as being bipolar, anger, depression, and my PTSD. And picking up woodworking has really taught me a lot. It's really helped me out. I picked it up. It's a therapy. It's actually taught me discipline, that the tools are actually your boss, that don't misuse them, mistreat them, or use them in any way, shape, fashion, or form that you shouldn't be, because they can cause injury. And has taught me a lot. Never in a million years did I think I'd be able to achieve the level of the woodworking that I'm doing. I want people to know the expert today was once a beginner. So, like I said, I've only been doing this just a year and a couple of months, and it's really taught me a lot. Discipline, has taught me patience, has taught me to help channel different things. So, and I enjoy woodworking. And yes, I do have things for sale. So, anytime you see, please follow my page. Anything I do, we do include shipping, or we can add shipping to let you know. Um, my wall hangers, such as that round one right there, we do a back the blue one, which hopefully will be finished maybe sometime this week. I'm waiting on the shells, the ammo shells, to come in the mail, and we're gonna put the ammo shells around it. For the ones that are asking, hey, can you turn that into a clock? I have a clock mechanism, the clock movement kit, and yes, I will soon be learning how to do a clock. And they'll be hopefully available soon. And I appreciate y'all's support, your positive comments, your feedback, and I'll show you another thing that I've done as well as a wall hanger. I did this one, a beach scene. That is actual real sand from the beach. This was my first one. I actually pretty proud of this one. I thought it came out pretty good. My artwork, my hobby, will get better with each and every project that I do. I think it came out really great. You guys drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, drop a follow, and I will put out a live streaming schedule just as soon as I can. I got to figure out what days and what platforms I'm going to be doing what process. But make sure you turn your notifications on. Drop a follow. It is real cold here in Florida. As you know, for the last 3 days, we've had the snowmageddon. And it's actually pretty awesome to experience once in a lifetime snow in northwest Florida. We got almost 9 inches last night. But anyways, so once again, my sunset. I'll be doing the American flag on this piece right here. Then we have our other American flag wall piece. So I appreciate y'all's support. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Share the video. And we'll see you on the next video. I hope everybody has a great day. Stay warm. And we'll see ya.